Come on, he's gonna hammer away. When he hammers away, beam him. Pop shield kit, break shield kit. Okay, he's 130. And hammer. He's gonna hammer. Why is it not hammering? This kid's so bad. Cut up, bro. I'm so triggered right now. Other mats. Dude, chat. I can't fight bad players. I can't fight bad players. That kid's so garbage. He's so bad. That kid is so bad. Like, I just lost to a noob. That kid was the worst player I've ever versed. I can't believe I just died. That kid literally moved like a drone. He actually moved like a dead ass drone. I can't believe I lost that, bro. I should have won that. I'm so triggered.
30.